Hello everyone, welcome to How Logical. In this video, we are going to see how we can change our username in Tumblr. It's very easy and it can be achieved in just a couple of steps. First, we're going to head over to our Tumblr homepage. Once we are there, on the left hand side, there is a sidebar and among the options there is account. We're going to click on it and we can see our name of the blog. We should click on it. Now a new page has appeared in the mid section. And to the right of it, we can see blog settings among the multiple options we are given. Now select it. Now the next step is to finally give our username and it can be done by clicking on this pencil icon. Now it's time to change our username and give it a new one. Once you have entered it, click save. There you go. We've given our blog a new username. Pikachu Lady. Finally, we are Pikachu Lady in our Tumblr. Thank you guys for watching. If you want to have further video updates like this, you can always subscribe to our channel. This much for today. Until next time, bye-bye.